Okay, so guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can separate the audio tracks in OBS. It is pretty basic and easy, guys. Just open OBS Studio. I will open it. Right now I am also recording it. So yeah, guys, as you guys can see, this is the OBS Studio. What you have to do is go to settings and then you have to go to output. Then you can just go to recording and tick this audio tracks. So we'll use the 2 tracks audio, which is the tracks we will use in our editing software. Just enable these 2 tracks. If you want 3, 4, it's up to you. But right now we are only considering the desktop audio and the mic audio. So I will only tick these 2. Then I click on OK. And after that, I will right click on it and go to advanced audio properties. So as you guys can see, this is pretty basic and easy, guys. Desktop audio, where we want desktop audio to be sent, guys. We are talking about the track. So we'll use the desktop audio on the first track and then the mic on the second track. And if you tick the first track on the microphone, then what will happen is on both the tracks on your editing software, on the first track you will listen to the mic and desktop both. We don't want that. We will just unlink that, and now on the first track it will be our desktop audio, and on the second track it will only be our microphone audio. We are not sending the desktop audio to second track. We are not sending the microphone audio to the first track. So yeah, guys, this is how you can just do that. It's pretty basic and easy, guys. I hope you guys understood.